Pajarito dice que se va a casar.
Pajarito dice que se va a casar.
Con la vieja mora y la mulata colora.
Con la vieja mora y la mulata colora.
Ay, pajarito, ay, pajarito.
Ay, pajarito, ay, pajarito.
Ay, pajarito, vuela tu nidito.
Ay, pajarito.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Bienvenido. Hi, welcome to Portobelo. My name is Arturo Lindsay. I'm a Panama-born, Brooklyn-raised, Atlanta, Portobelo-based artist, cultural investigator, and educator. I invited you here today to tell you a story. Well, to tell you several stories. But the story that I'm going to tell you is about a boy and a promise. That boy was me. And the promise is a promise that I made to my hometown of Colón, Panama. Today, Sandra and Yaneca are two of my best friends. Together, we founded the painter workshop of Taller Portobelo, the Portobelo Workshop. 5 dedicated artists have remained active. They are Virgilio Yaneca Esquina, Ariel Pajarito Jimenez, Virgilio Tito Esquina, Manuel Tattoo Golden, and Gustavo Esquina de la Espada.
It captured me from the very beginning. And it captured me because it is a people telling the world how they see themselves, right? Which is always very important and something that Black artists especially have been doing since we picked up, paintbrush in this country, is trying to show who we are, you know, and not who everyone says we are.
We evolve, we grow, we thrive in community. Taller Portobelo is evidence of that, and that community is, the like local community to an international community, you know what I mean? And I think that there's something, powerful in that. And
Panama, for me, was really essential to my growth as a person, as a global citizen, as an artist. For the first time, being able to see myself.
Amazing group of Portobelonian artists who have now exhibited in Spain, in Mexico, in the U.S., all over Panama. You talked about the politics of representation and wanting there to be more diverse representation. Was it worth it?
Oh, God, yes.
Debajo de un palo de mango y una mujer encontré.